and welcome to our YouTube channel for the Franklin McKinley Children's Initiative. FMCI is a collaboration of organizations that work in the Santee neighborhood in East San Jose, California. Our vision is that every child graduates high school ready for college and career through community schools, strong and safe neighborhoods, and economic development. The purpose of this video is to show you how to use our YouTube channel. So let's begin.
In this video, we're going to talk about how to navigate our FMCI YouTube page, starting with signing in, setting the language to Spanish, Vietnamese, or something else, viewing and saving videos to your YouTube library, accessing playlists and the video player's features such as pause and rewind, and writing and replying to comments on videos. The first thing we'd like to let you know is that watching videos on YouTube is easy. It doesn't require having an account or subscribing to any channels. For example, you can see videos in all sorts of genres from around the world by accessing YouTube's home page. You can watch what's trending. You can search for specific genres of music, film, people, entertainment, tutorials, or other things that interest you by accessing YouTube's search engine feature. Type the keywords into the search engine, click on search, and a list of related videos will appear that you can scroll through and choose from. However, saving videos for watching later, subscribing to a channel that you find interesting, or to interact with other users by commenting or liking videos, all require you to be signed into YouTube or have a Gmail account. So let's begin with how to sign into YouTube. First, you will need to click on the sign in icon located on the top right-hand corner of YouTube's home page, whether you're on a phone, laptop, or other device. To sign in, you'll need a Gmail account. Instructions on how to create a Gmail account can be found on FMCI's video, How to Create an Email, which is linked on this video and in the description below. Once you sign in with your username and password, you'll be taken to YouTube's homepage again. And now that you have an account, you can personalize the features to fit your needs. For example, you can change the language settings by starting at your profile picture, located at the top right corner, and a menu bar will appear. Click on Language in the drop-down menu. You will be given a list of languages to choose from. For example, if you choose Espanol, all of the sections and content on YouTube will be changed to Spanish. Now that you're signed in, you can save videos to watch for later in your video library. While watching a video, click the Save button below the video player, and you can save it to your video library to watch for later or use it to create a playlist. You can access your saved videos the next time that you are online by going to the library section located on the sidebar of the home page, and you will be taken to the library where all of your saved videos are stored. Your library also includes playlists and liked videos. Another cool feature of YouTube is subscribing to different channels. You can subscribe to our channel right now by clicking on the subscribe button at the bottom of this video underneath the video player. Then, whenever you are signed into your YouTube account, you'll see our latest videos in your subscription feed. And by clicking on the bell icon, you will receive a notification when we upload a new video. YouTube allows users to interact with a channel's content and other YouTube users. For example, you can like our videos by clicking on the thumbs up icon. This will let us know that you appreciate and support the content that we publish, which will help us reach a larger audience. Click on the share button and then select the platform that you want to use to share our video link. Another great feature of YouTube is the ability to search for specific topics and organizations. For example, to find us, type Franklin McKinley Children's Initiative into the search bar located at the top of the page. A list of videos related to what you searched for will come up. FMCI's channel appears with a picture of our logo and a description of us. Click on the image of our logo and you will be taken to our channel where our videos and our playlists are shown. You can click on a video to watch, or you can browse our playlist section, which is located next to the Videos tab. You can choose to watch videos from different playlists in which we have organized based on different topics. Our digital literacy playlist, for example, includes topics as basic as how to create an email, to more complicated ones such as how to use Zoom. Upon choosing a video to watch, notice that the video player has different features that you can use while watching videos. For example, you can pause a video by clicking once on the video screen as it's playing, and clicking it once more will make it start to play again. You can also pause a video by clicking on the pause button, which is located at the bottom of the video player. And then by clicking on the play button, it will make the video start to play again. In order to rewind a video or fast forward it, click on the video's running timeline, located at the bottom of the screen, at the location or time that you would like to begin watching the video. You may also want to share your opinion about what you see, and YouTube allows you to give feedback and interact with videos and users as long as you follow its community guidelines for appropriate speech. You can leave a public comment in the place that says "Add a public comment" beneath the video player. Type your comment and then click Submit. You can also like other people's comments. Type in your comment in the comment section or reply to them. Just hit reply. And then click on the reply button. Other people can respond back, creating a conversation. To return to our channel, click on the image of our logo next to our name below the video player. And that's it. Thank you for your attention and your support. Please subscribe to our channel and leave any comments or questions below. See you next time.